So what makes for good research or a good project? This question is equally important to you in the planning of your proposal, in executing an actual project, and as a consumer of research. And the answer comes down to rigor. Stringer differentiates rigor as measured for different types of research. You'll find it starting on page 91. Rigor is measured differently for experiments following the scientific method than for action research. In action research, we want to conduct our project in a way that is demonstrated to be trustworthy. How then do we measure trustworthiness? There are several ways: through credibility, transferability, dependability, and confirmability. Let's start with credibility. Credibility speaks to, are the conditions of the study such that the process and outcome are plausible? There are multiple ways in which the credibility of a study can be enhanced or degraded. Some of them are by prolonged engagement. Was there enough time invested? Through persistent observation, not just hanging out in an environment, but thoughtful, purposeful observation over a reasonable number of events or a reasonable length of time. Through triangulation, in which multiple sources inform the study, and through member checking, a process in which the participants may view the data and verify that it's representative of their contributions. Another method to measure trustworthiness is transferability. In Module 2, Mike shared with you the analytical or positivistic research, in which results are intended to explain a truth that can be generalized over all similar populations. In action research, the results are really only specifically applicable to the population in which the project was conducted. But does that mean that it can't be useful to others? Not at all. Action research can certainly be transferable in the sense that similar organizations or organizations experiencing a similar issue can learn and apply the lessons learned in the subject study. Confirmability is another measure of trustworthiness, and confirmability is fairly simple. Is there an audit trail that demonstrates that what the researchers or practitioners claimed occurred actually did occur? When building your proposal, it's essential that you plan for and build in means of measuring trustworthiness. It's not something you think about afterward, you plan for it. How do you plan for dependability, for example? Well, you design a note-keeping and record-keeping system into your proposal and then execute it through every step of your project. Also, during the project, you might discover a record that you should keep that wasn't initially planned for, so you keep it.